What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream. We got another great show for you guys. We already got chat going nuts right now. There's a little commotion outside the door. I just heard Ben screaming, running around outside. I'm not sure exactly what's going on. Sounds like a BitBoy dilemma. So, what's Aaron Curry's popping in right now. What's going on?
He locked the door. I needed to go to the bathroom. He locked it.
Okay, there it was a race to the bathroom. Ben beat Aaron and locked him out. So that was the dilemma. If you guys heard any of that commotion, let me know if you guys can hear me okay. The mic is in a little bit of a different position today. I just want to make sure you guys can hear me loud and clear. But guys, welcome back to the stream. Thank you for being here. Smash the like button if you have not already. We got 75 viewers. We're only 2 minutes into the stream here. Let's see who we got over here in chat. Oh boy. Tony, our wonderful mod. Tony, welcome. Thank you for being here. Rafi, what's going on? Rickster, how you doing? Paul, Aaron, Derek, John, Mark. Who we got? We got Captain Kirk, one of our other awesome mods. Thank you for being here. Danny, Brandon's coming back. MC Crypto, who did win our Ledger Nano giveaway. I did get in touch with you through Twitter. I got your messages. We will be sending it out. Welcome back. Let's see, Sean, Jimmy Two Shoes is back here. Travis, Bubba's, welcome back. Gia, hello. Yeah, wow, chat is popping. Guys, Bitcoin's over. Bitcoin's going to zero. No, I'm just kidding. Bitcoin's not going to zero. But we did have quite a dump. Let me just check to make sure you guys are hearing me okay. We can hear okay. All right, great. Beautiful. It is in a little different position. If you guys have trouble hearing me, just let me know and I will fix it real quick. I'll have to leave the camera just for a second. You guys know I'm quick at running around this studio and I never fall. I never fall and hurt my elbow. You guys know that. But guys, we have a great stream today. We're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. What happened? Why are we falling? Where are we going? You guys will know, I'm never happy when Bitcoin's dumping, but if you guys watch the stream, I did warn about this yesterday. I did think there was a chance that we could come down to a certain level. We've actually broken that level now. We are coming down further. How low can we go? We're going to be talking about it. I'm going to be talking about a trade that, guys, I actually missed an entry to this trade. I saw it. I wanted to take it. But I was actually recording a video for you guys on Market Cipher A. If you don't know, Market Cipher A, is the indicator that is on top of the candles, those little icons that print all over the candles. So I was recording a tutorial for that. I missed the entry. It was very annoying. I hate missing trades, but it was for you guys. I don't mind missing it for you guys. Guys, 109 people here. Smash a like if you just got in. Welcome to the stream. Let's go. We're going up, guys. We're at 5K subscribers. Next stop, 10K. Let's get there. Let's get there. But we're going to be looking at the altcoins. We're going to be doing the Q&A. You guys see the wheel back here. This thing haunts me forever. It's always looking over my shoulder. I could feel it breathing down my neck. But as you know, we did spin the wheel. We're going to get a funny outfit ready, and because I think that was one of the challenges that we got yesterday. So stay tuned. We're going to have that coming in an upcoming stream very soon. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin, right? So we're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to show you the levels we were watching. We did get a little bounce off of that level, but we wound up crashing through it and coming down just a little bit lower. So without further ado, let's hop into the charts. Okay. All right, so we're going to start here on the daily for Bitcoin. Let me make the screen a little bigger here. All right, guys, this mic being far away from me is freaking me out. I feel like you guys can't hear me, but you say it's good, so it's good. Real quick, before we jump into it, let's check chat real quick. Sean says loud and clear. All right, I'm not worried about the mic anymore. Jonathan says, hashtag respect the dip. I saw somebody in here. I think it was, who was it? Was it Jimmy Two Shoes? Somebody was saying, Frankie, save us. It's okay, guys. We're going to be all right. Some of you, I really hope some of you were able to catch a short. If you were watching the stream yesterday, you would have known that we were looking for a possible move down. So hopefully some of you guys caught that. All right. Let's see. There are a lot of yellow X's on the chart today. Yes. And if you guys watch on my market cipher A, probably going to come out tomorrow. That video, we will talk about the yellow X's. If you don't know what they are, we're going to explain them. Along with all the other indicators. And then what do we have today? Today, we have the Fibonacci video is coming out today, guys. Just waiting on the thumbnail. Going to upload it right after the stream. So keep a lookout for that. Definitely check it out. Pretty interesting stuff. Thanks for taking one for the team, Lisa. Ammo says hashtag bing bong. How about doing a joint TA show with Jason Casper? Hey, we love Jason Casper. He was actually, I think he was on ATB tonight. Does awesome technical analysis. He's also hilarious. If you guys watch his streams, they're very fun. But yeah, that would be really cool, guys. Hit up Jason Casper, man. Let's see if we can get him on here. But yeah, let's see. I missed the short as well. I'm not falling asleep on trades in the current market. Yep, that is true, chats. Hashtag Candle Crew. Let's go. As always, good to be here. Being served Franklin's knowledge sauce. Okay, that's a new one, James. Franklin's knowledge sauce. Hope all is well with everyone. Thank you for all you do, Frankie. Anytime, I do it for you guys. I love doing it, and I'm not gonna stop until we hit a bazillion subscribers. Yeah, guys, 10K subscribers next stop. So let's try to get it up there. All right, so let's jump in. So we are looking at Bitcoin on the daily here. And let's take a look at, so real quick, guys, I'm going to cover this really quick. I almost covered on every single stream for the past few in a row, but just for those who are new, we were keeping an eye on this candle right here, this red candle right before the one that's printing right now. It is known as a shooting star candle. It is a bearish reversal candle. Typically, you see a reversal to the downside when you see these pop up. Price came all the way up to almost 46,000 and then got slammed down by the bears. And we got, it forms this candle signaling a bearish reversal. So we were keeping an eye on that. That's why I was saying, like, we could see a little bit of downside coming up for Bitcoin, but we had to keep an eye on it. It actually wound up playing out. It's not looking as good as it was. As you guys can see, the weekly VWAP is now not only curving flat, but starting to curve down a little bit. So we could possibly see this wave, come down and cross down like that, which would be bearish, unfortunately. But I like to give it to you guys straight. I like to give it to you straight. When we're bullish, we're bullish. When we're bearish, because we don't really, we want to be bullish for our long-term bags, but we're not really biased, biased to be bullish and only bullish, although we love being bullish. But we make money going up or down, right? So if we see this crossover, then we're just looking for shorts. We can still make money, no big deal. And then we had on the daily, switching back over to the Heikin-Ashi candles, actually, we do have money flow, right? Money flow is still coming up on the daily, right? So this actually, still doesn't look horrible, but, it doesn't look, the weekly, we're gonna have to see what happens with the weekly, right? Let's check the 2 week. Let's see what the 2 week looks like, right? So we have the VWAP curving up on the 2 week, so that's bullish, kind of some mixed signals there. But let's actually zoom into, let's go to the 2 hour just to zoom in and get a closer look at what happened today. Let's actually go down to the 1 hour. So let's see, where are my boxes? Okay, so this is kind of what we were looking at yesterday, right? You know, we were kind of, you know, teetering on these lines. We did, I was talking about if we broke this support level here, we could come down, possibly find a bounce at the top of this box or fall into this range. So clearly, we actually looked on a lower time frame, see any reactions. Yeah, we got a little tiny reaction. I mean, we basically came straight through. We caught a little bit of support right here, came up a little bit before crashing back down. But coming back to the hourly, you see we just crashed right through these levels. And now we are below, right? This is right here where you see this little green box. This was the short position that I missed, right? So I was keeping an eye in this box, right? We did have that yellow X, and you know, market cipher B, we are in the red on the money flow. So it was looking kind of bearish. Once I saw that yellow X, I was looking for a possible short position if we lost this bottom level at the bottom of the box right here. And indeed, this level right here, where I was looking to break, to enter my short, I wound up starting to record that video. And then when I checked back in, you know, we actually made the whole move. So unfortunately, I missed out on that one. But it's okay, guys. It's going to dump again. It's going to pump again. I'll get the next one. I'm not really freaking out over it. It does kind of stink that I missed out. And I know you guys, a lot of you guys probably know the feeling. But could have been, unfortunately, I hate doing this to myself. This is like emotional torture here. But, you know, would have been a nice 4% move with 10x leverage. Most likely I would have used 10x. Would have been a 40% gain on that trade. But hey, guys, you win some, you lose some, and sometimes you miss them. Oh, no, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, what was going on out there? I had a lot of commotion, guys.
You had a lot of commotion out there. Well, you know, we had to, there was, I had to go see a man about a horse out there. I had to talk to him a little bit. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So, you know, sometimes you got to do that.
Yeah, you got to do that. Guys, BitBoy Crypto, let's see, hashtag we love Ben in the chat.
They say no bings, just bongs. What does that mean? No bongs on the BitBoy Crypto channel. Very family friendly.
Nope.
Frankie Candles, I can't speak for this guy. I don't know what he's capable of. I don't know what he does on the weekends or who he does. I don't know.
Bings only.
So
Bings
what's going
only.
on with the chart? We in major dump right now. We going below 40, right? Probably.
Yes, we could see some support at 40, but we'll see. We'll have to see if we hold the level.
You think this is Ukraine, Russia?
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
I like it. I like you.
Yes.
Ukraine and Russia.
Yes.
You think I'm standing like uncomfortably close to you right now?
It's kind of like
is this good? You
feeling breathing down my neck
this?
here.
Do y'all like
Aaron,
this?
Aaron, shut the camera off.
This is getting real.
Shut the camera off.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Love y'all.
Mr. BitBoy Crypto, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, you know, always exciting times here at BitBoy Crypto. You never know what's going to happen. You never know who's coming onto the stream here. But yeah, guys, if you love Ben, hashtag we love Ben. But yeah, guys, he did make a good point. He's talking about Russia, this whole thing with Russia. Actually, let me see if I have it up here. I actually don't know if I have it up. I don't. But I did have a picture. Someone put up a picture of, you know, Russia is actually surrounding the border right now, looking like it could be, you know, this whole thing could be happening. I don't know how YouTube likes this. I don't want to get too much in detail, but if this thing happens, guys, I think you know what I'm talking about. You know, this could bring us down a bit if this goes down. We don't really know how the market's going to react, but this could be, you know, this move down could be based off of that news and everything going on with Russia and the Ukraine. So, you know, when you have, like I said, guys, the charts work, right? TA works, and it's a great tool to use when you're trying to get in and out of trades or invest, whatever the case may be. But when you have an event like this happening in the world, or, you know, something fundamentally going on with crypto, sometimes the charts go out the window a little bit. But we were able to foreshadow this move a little bit yesterday on the stream. So I hope some of you were keeping an eye out for that, and some of you were able to get the trade and not miss it like I was. But I was making content for you guys. So you know what? That's a win for me, and hopefully a win for you guys. Blanchard's Bees, welcome back. How are you? We're looking forward to our honey. No rush. But if you send us some honey, you know, we're gonna show it. We're gonna show it off. Maybe we'll do a live taste test of the honey. I have a feeling it's probably gonna be pretty good. All right, let's see here. Let's check chat real quick. Get Frankie some assistance so he doesn't need to keep running around. Mark, hey, that's right. That's right. That would be nice, right? So I could just, oh, someone's kicking me off my trading view. I don't like this. We'll let them check their prices while I'm checking chat. But let's see. Ben, I heard you wanted to purchase an NFL bus. I work for the company that builds them. Hey, Rafi, interesting. I think we would call it the Bit Bus, right? That would be pretty cool. I'll let Ben know, Rafi. Jason says, what's up, Ben Bong? Let's see. Jonathan Schaefer, yeah. Oh, hashtag yummy. All right. Ben, smash the likes. Frankie wearing a BitBoy jacket. Yes, that was a real life BitBoy jacket there. Let's see real quick. So you all think this is Russia and Ukraine. Jonathan, I do think it definitely is playing a part. We did see some technicals yesterday that did indicate that we could see some downside. We had that shooting star bearish reversal candle. So obviously we did have an idea that things could flip bearish. But I do think this Russia thing probably is not helping at all. Hey, Jimmy, Uncle Jimmy's here. Hey, Jim Marin. Hey, Uncle Jimmy, welcome to the stream. Let's see. Crypto Jimbo, we got a lot of Jimmys in here. You know, when you're in Frankie Candle's stream, we got a lot of Jimmys, a lot of Vinnies, a lot of Joeys, a lot of Rickies. You know what I'm saying? Anything with an I-E or a Y fit just right. Let's see. He says, Frankie, can you talk about when you like to cut losses? I feel like this is a thing I struggle with the most. Got burnt today, hoping Bitcoin would bounce. Jimbo, we could talk about that for sure. I highlighted you there. Let's see. Nice surprise. Thanks for the analysis, Candles. This flash crash isn't a problem, right? We'll have to keep an eye on it, right, guys? Because we're kind of already in the weird spot with Bitcoin currently, and you know we're gonna have to watch it. You know, we still don't know what's going on with the bull market, the bear market. Are we in the bear market? Who knows? But right now, today is not looking good. Obviously, if you looked at the chart, you will know. Let me X this out so you guys can take a little look. Obviously, not looking too good. This is the 1 hour. But let's see, bring on that dip. I'm ready to pick up some cheap coins on sale. That's another thing, guys. You can pick up some stuff on sale for, for your long-term bags. I don't recommend, you want to just make sure, I always say put a little bit of your money in as it comes down. So you're not going all in at one price, then it dips lower and you get wrecked. But you also want to make sure that you're not buying every dip on the way down to the bottom of the bear market. Granted, if you are planning on holding long term, till the next bull cycle, you will be in profit. You got to be ready to hold those bags for a little bit. 173 people in here, guys. Smash the like button if you want to spin the wheel. Last night, we spun it like 3 times. So I got a lot of challenges to catch up on. But yeah, if you have not smashed the like, get in there and punch that thing. Punch it up. Let's see. Sneak peek of the Bit Squad swag looks sick. Yes, we have new Bit Squad merch coming out, and it looks really good, guys. It's really high quality. We got some XRP Army jerseys with 589 on the back. Those are my favorite. Super, super cool. Rich says, what up, Tony D? Let's see. Okay. Feels shaky at best. Yes. We're right at the golden pocket. We're right on the golden fib. If you're bear swing trader, it was a perfect short. Right at the 61865 level. Hey, dude, bro, let's go. Fibonacci level. Fibonacci video coming out today, and you guys will learn about the 618 and 6.65 golden pocket levels and why it's very important and how you could have used it to find these short opportunities. Let's see. Quarter crawler, what's going on? Welcome to the stream, my man. XRP chart, we will take a look at XRP. $4 VeChain, we will look at VeChain. Yes, XRP, I got you guys. XRP Army, let's go. Hashtag value, John Connor, let's go. Already coming in with the value. Hashtag bing bong. Frankie C with the sauce, let's go, guys. You come for one thing and one thing only. You come for sauce and edutainment. Charting with Frankie. Hey, how do I say this? Don't know how to say your name. Sarah, I don't know how to say your name. Flux, I'm going to call you Flux. Welcome to the stream. Ivan, welcome. Let's see. When Frankie Candle's name over the door of the studio. John, hopefully soon. All right. So, all right, you guys want to see XRP? Let's look at XRP, and then we could come back and talk about Bitcoin a little bit. So obviously, guys, ETH at 28.91. You know, a lot of these coins are going to be down, obviously. So let's take a look at XRP, coming down to some support right here. And yeah, so I mean, we are coming up to some support. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Let's come to a little bit of a higher time frame. Yeah, so you got some support here that you're coming down. Let's see if we stick it. If Bitcoin continues to dump, most likely going to see some more downward action for XRP as well. But hey, guys, that's cheap XRP. You know, I got a big bag of XRP. I'm not currently buying any just because I have a big enough bag. I'm comfortable with what I'm holding. But I will be picking up, I will tell you this. Look at this, Gala back at 30 cents. You know, 30 cents and lower, I'm looking to buy some Gala. Obviously, if I were to buy some right now, I'd put a little bit of money in, knowing that we could dump a little more, and then I would put more in lower and more in lower. So, you know, definitely don't just, you know, bet the farm because, you know, we're dipping. You want to ladder in, right? You know what I'm saying? Ladder in. So I will be looking for Gala, but back to XRP. Let me, this is the 4 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, let's see if we could hold this line of support. Checking market cipher B, right? You're printing a green dot does not mean it is the bottom. It means it's a bottom, as you can see here. Let me make this a little bigger for you guys so you can see. If you guys watched my market cipher B video, you'll know what I'm talking about here. But yeah, you can see we printed a green dot right here. Let me grab my brush tool. Printed a green dot right there. A lot of people, you know, buy these green dots, and it can work out on the longer time frames in some cases, but I don't recommend just buying the green dots. But you see the green dot here. It did call this bottom, which was a bottom, right? And then we came up a little bit. What was that move? Let's measure it out. You know, about 4%. Put some 10x leverage, 40% profit. You know, you don't want to just buy these because you can see it marked this bottom as a green dot. We came up and then had a massive dump, and now we are printing another green dot right here. We could come up a little bit, reject, and come back down. So just be careful buying these green dots. Typically, they are stronger with any, you know, everything on Market Cipher. The longer the time frame you're looking at, typically the stronger the indication is, right? So, you know, so this was a 4% move for this green dot right here. But if you come to the daily, right, and we're looking at a longer time frame, the green dot on a green dot on the daily can bring us up, you know, let's see, where is that? Like right here. You know, that's 48%, right? So the green dots on the longer time frame, any indicator on Market Cipher on the longer time frames are obviously a little stronger. And you'll notice that, you know, even on the longer time frames, you know, it thought this was the bottom right, thought it was the bottom right here for this green dot down here, thought it was the bottom, came up, dumped right down, right? And we're going to talk, you know, I guess I'll tease a little bit of Market Cipher A. We could talk about that a little bit today. We'll get into the yellow manipulation X's because there were a lot of them today. So we'll take a look at that. Guys, I'm trying to stop saying It's very, very hard habit to break. 182 people. Guys, welcome to the stream. Smash the like button. And let's grow this community even bigger than it already is. And for every 100 likes we get, you guys already got a spin of the Wheel of Pain and Pleasure. And, you know, if we get 200 likes, we spin it twice. 300, we spin it 3 times. Yesterday, I think we got like 400 likes, I think we hit. So I think we spun it 4 times. But let's check chat real quick. Do you like to scalp trade? Jesse, yes. I typically am in shorter term trades, right? I do hold some trades a little longer, but I do like to scalp. I like getting in, getting my bag, and jumping out. Frankie brings the sauce every night while cooking dinner. Let's go, Derek B. I hope you're making some macaroni. Let's see. Is this a chart reading reacting thing? When does the charting and information start rolling? Mind Poison Gaming. I don't really understand that question. I don't know if I'm reading it wrong. I don't understand, so I'm sorry. I don't know how to answer that. Will $4 VeChain? Someone watch Jeb's channel today. Oh, is Jeb saying calling for a $4 VeChain? Listen, VeChain goes to $4. I'm gonna be a happy man. Listening to Frankie on the way to yoga. Karen, get your yoga on. That's awesome. I've never done yoga, but I know a lot of people who do. They say they love it. So enjoy your yoga and get this sauce on the ride there. Let's see. XRP jersey giveaway. Austin, maybe. That would be a Ben question. Maybe we could have asked him when he jumped on here. But yeah, maybe. That would be really cool. Let's see. XRP will open the bull run like Monster. Yeah, Jimmy, hey. A lot of people were saying maybe if XRP wins the lawsuit, that's what can launch us back into a full-blown bull run. Maybe it could happen, if it ever ends. I don't know if it's ever going to end. They might drag this thing out to 2042. Who knows? Let's see. It takes a lot of Bitcoin to make money, but in altcoins, it doesn't matter. Joshua, yes. But if you're trading Bitcoin with leverage, you could put $100 in, and with 10x leverage, you're trading with $1,000. If you put $1,000 in with 10x leverage, that's 10 grand you're trading with. Obviously, leverage trading is risky. Risk management, use your stop losses, as I preach on this channel every single day. But if you can't, 10x leverage turns a 1% move into a 10% move. So with leverage, you get big moves everywhere. That's why I love it. Let's see. Next support line for XRP below 75 cents. Let's take a look. Let's pop up XRP. I think XRP is like the coin of the people. I don't see a lot of ADA gang, right? The ADA gang's out there hard, but XRP army, I don't know if any other, coin community comes anywhere close to XRP army. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so that is basically where our support line is. It's about 75 cents. We do have a fib level down here at about 72 cents. So you could see a reaction off of there. We have reacted off of it in the past. Obviously, we dumped down out of it when we bounced off of it this time or last time. But we'll see. There is a little bit of support there. We'll see if we are going to crush through it again. If not, bottom line for XRP has been around 60 cents, this area right here. We did call this on like these three candles. One of these three candles, we called it before this big move up. But, you do have strong support there. That's that's about as low as we have come, other than I think this is this is the May dump. It's basically as low as we've come. We wicked down there a little bit right there. But, strong support at 60 cents, 72 cents. You'll probably see a bounce. I forget who asked the question, but there you go. I hope it helps you out. MC Crypto talking to Captain Kirk. Let's see. Hey, Captain, we missed you. I know you were in yesterday's stream, but, everybody in chat was missing you. They like you there. They like you in chat there. Let's see. Adam Croy, what's going on? Can't believe I forgot to hit the notification button. That's okay. Go ahead and tap it now. It's all good. It's all good. What's going on, everybody? Crazy day. Red Robbles. Yes, very, very crazy day. 184 people in here, guys. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Dad jokes. Do you think the Bitcoin dump is over? We're going to take a look at that. We're going to talk about it. Let's see. Frankie Fib, cartel candles, laying it out. Let's go, Richie. Let's go. I've got dual citizenship in the ADA gang and the XRP army. Hope. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. I only want to win swag from the wheel if it's signed by the Frankie Candles. Well, I'll tell you what. If we can give away a shirt or two or whatever it is, if we can do that, I will sign it for you. Don't worry about that. And hey, Bubba's, you might be my first signature ever. So you might want to save that. That's the first signature I'll ever sign. But not the last. Not the last. Let's see. If XRP goes back down to 60 cents, I'm buying another 10K. Barry, I'll probably be looking, if it goes back down to 60, maybe I'll buy some more. Like I said, I have a big bag of XRP. I'm more looking for gaming coins and metaverse coins, just because that's what I don't have a lot of those right now. I'm not saying that you guys got to buy the same thing I'm buying, but that's just what I'm buying because that's what my portfolio's light in that area. So I'm looking to beef those bags up a bit. All right. So let's see. Hey, Frankie, I've asked this of Ben, but do you think XRP will take over the SWIFT system once the case is settled? I know Ripple is planning on going public. Yeah, I mean, MC, I don't know. I'm honestly not convinced that this lawsuit will even end. I don't know what's going to happen. It's going to feel fake. When I wake up and it says the XRP lawsuit is over, whether they win or lose, I don't even know if I'm going to believe that it's over. But yeah, we'll have to see. I can't believe I'm part of the mafia. Carlo, you are definitely in the CandleMafia. 100%. All right, let's see. Arrived late to the stream. Did you go over dot yet? Hey, Gianfranco. No, we have not gone over dot yet, but we will. Okay. Panama City Beach in the house. Charles Fazzy, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Great group tonight, Rich. Yes, absolutely. All right, let's take. So let's just look at Bitcoin, right? Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's come down to the 4 hour. Right. So where are we looking? Right. Where are we looking to go? Where are we looking to go? We do have some support at about 39K. In that area. Right. Support and resistance is usually a range, but I think we will see a bounce there. Let me pull up my chart with the spider lines. Right. Very, very close to 39K right here. About 38.2. It's actually coming to there. Let's check the non. Yeah. But yeah, so we could look for a bounce off of this spider line. And if you guys don't have spider lines, the other line I had was just one that I drew. If you want to know how to find key levels of support and resistance, check out the video on our channel. And yeah, I think, what is this? This is 30. Yeah, this is 39. Yeah, so we do have some support there. And, we'll have to see if we come down. But I want to talk a little bit about the yellow X's real quick, just because we had the Market Cipher A tutorial coming. Now, there they are, showing themselves. Guys, today's energy brought to you by just good old classic black coffee in a camera lens. You know what I'm saying? We do have the water, right? When you're drinking black coffee, you got to stay hydrated. But yeah, let's see. Love the bing bong on Ben's stream yesterday. Yeah, Ben was trying to, Crypto Mac, Ben was trying to pull me off the stream. I was trying to give you guys the sauce on the morning stream too. And Ben was trying to pull me off. He's like, get off my show. And I was like, bing bong, bing bong. And as he pushed me out, it was pretty funny. Adam is a hodl for me. Rich, I think that might be a good idea. Okay, so with these yellow manipulation X's, right? We're on the 15-minute here, a little bit of a lower time frame, but we have a few here, so I'm going to talk about it. So these indicate manipulation, right? These very, very, very often play out dramatically, as you can see, right? This one, not so much, but could have been foreshadowing this move here. But right, you get the yellow X right there, followed by a big old move to the downside, another yellow X, a big old move to the downside, a big old X with another move to the downside, right? Now with these yellow X's, excuse me, the first two, right? You have 1, 2. The first two that come up are typically the worst, right? You'll see this move right from here to here is, let's measure it out. Let's see if this will work out. 3% about, right? And then the second one, right? Let's measure the second one roughly, 3%, right? And now let's measure the last one. Boom. About 2%, right? So the first two are usually the most dramatic, right? And then when you get into the third and fourth one, it starts to flatten out, right? The dump starts to flatten out a little bit. It indicates seller exhaustion. So if you're looking at these yellow X's, you might short, with confirmation and confluence in other areas, you might short seeing it. You'll short it on the way down. Maybe you get the second one, you hold it, ride it down. When you start getting to the third and the fourth one, you can expect, the sellers to kind of be like lightening up a little bit and price starting to flatten out and possibly reverse. So I just wanted to point that out because that is a little that is a little detail that's very important. I'll try to find other parts. Let's see if we can go. Where else do we have some yellow X's? Yeah, you could kind of see it. I mean, just in general, this one clearly was the biggest. This one was clearly the second biggest, and then this one was a little less, right? So just keep that in mind when you're looking at these X's, but they play out, guys. These play out for real. And you did have a blood diamond up here. I'm not going to go too much into everything because the video is coming out. But yeah, like if you could come back, let's try to find one that played out good. Let's go to the 4 hour. And again, the higher the time frame, the stronger the indication, right? Let's go to like the May dump. Is there, let's see. Yeah, here you go. Boom. Let me get this, minimize that. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. So yeah, as you guys can see, these blood diamonds play out quite a bit as well. But yeah, you see a yellow X, little less, and then a little more, right? It doesn't always play out exactly, but typically when you get the third, the fourth, sometimes a fifth, you do start to see the bearish momentum slowing down. And then one more key thing about the yellow X's that's very, very important, right? Because I know some people who have fallen into this trap. You get the yellow X, right? You get the yellow X. You move down a little bit. You get a green dot, right? Let me stretch this out just a bit. You get the... Oh boy, I really want to circle this green dot, but there's a button in the way. But you get this green dot right here, right? And you're seeing this here, and you're like, oh my God, it's gonna go up. We had a yellow X. We already dumped down a good bit. We have this big move to the downside. Now I got a green dot. This must be the bottom. Very, very, very tricky thing, right? You could get trapped doing that because, like I say, you don't want to just buy the green dots. If you see a yellow X, right, and there is a green dot on Market Cipher B like it is down here, just ignore the green dot because these yellow X's play out. They push through. It ignored these green dots. We had 2 green dots here, and then another yellow X dumped us down big time right here, right? This is the 4 hour, so this is going to be a pretty dramatic move. Let's measure it out. Boom. I'm not even at the bottom of the wick, but that's 30% there. We didn't even get to the bottom of the wick. So that's a big move. So you don't want to get stuck buying these green dots, when you have yellow X's up here. Be very, very cautious. It's a trick, right? Especially because you had these little green candles, these 3 green candles right here. Let me zoom in a little bit, stretch this out a little bit. There's your first random line on the chart for the stream. You guys know I do it all the time. But yeah, so you got the green dot here on this candle, and then you got 3 candles to the upside. So you might be thinking, oh, we're going up. And then typically it's just a little pop up, and then you get another one, and you get wrecked. Sometimes the second X doesn't even pop up. You just get wrecked off of this X. So just be very, very, very careful, guys. Be very careful when you see these yellow X's. Typically, you're going to be wanting to go with the trend. If you see these yellow X's, chances are you're entering a downtrend or already in the middle of a big downtrend. So be very careful. Be very careful. Let's check chat real quick. Frankie just joined tonight's stream. Any solid swing trade longs from this dump? Ian, we could talk about where I would be looking for some bounces for sure. I like to give you guys a little bit, give you the sauce. Let's see. Nice trigger wave going on there. Ooh, I wish I knew where you saw that. This is on the 4 hour. Also, guys, TradingView tutorial coming soon. As you can see, we were scrolled all the way back here on the chart, right? And instead of going like this 100 times, there's a little button down here. Just a little. I'm shooting the video tomorrow, but I'm just going to give you guys a little sneak peek of what's to come in that video. It's a little button down here. You click that, it snaps you right to the current price action. All right, let's stretch out Market Cipher B here. That must have not been what you're talking about, but let's see. Can you tell us what settings you usually have your Market Cipher A and B on? Settings as far as what, I don't really know. I haven't really changed anything. The only thing I do sometimes is I take off the RSI, but that's usually just when I'm streaming because I don't want to confuse people. This looks a lot more confusing with the RSIs. So I just take it off to make it a little simpler for you guys. Let's see. 199 people, guys. Welcome to the chat. 172 likes. Smash the like button. Little test spin here. This doesn't count. We're going to do a little test spin. Let's see. What would happen? Random fridge object. I don't really even know what that means. Maybe we'll change that one. Anyway, appreciate what you do at Tony D. Great crew. Hey, Rich is out there appreciating our mods in chat who were wrecking the scammers yesterday. We had a lot of scammers in chat yesterday, and the mods came in and just mopped them up real quick. Don't mess with the CryptoMafia scammers. I'm talking to you, you little scammers. Which coin has Frankie covered so far? We looked at Bitcoin. We looked at XRP. That's about it. I mentioned what price ETH was at, but we looked at Gala a little bit. But if you have any specific questions, Ian, throw them in the chat. I'll try to answer them for you. Basically, Bitcoin's over. It's going to zero. I'm just kidding. Don't panic. I'm just joking. I do have to say that because some people just tune into YouTube and just listen to everything that people say. So I am joking. Bitcoin's not going to zero. Let's see. I'm buying on March 18th. Let's see. Just play around with the settings, man. Carlos answering that question. Thanks, Tony. We'll check those after the stream. Let's see. Breaking news. Order to ban all cryptocurrency. Russia war imminent. I don't know if we're getting trolled there, but we'll see. We'll know if we just see a mega red candle that just comes through the chart and burns a hole in my desk. Then we'll know that happened. Let's see. I hold XRP long term. I will sell my soul if BTC goes to 0. Absolutely. So will I. Sell your crypto now. U.S. executive order ban on all cryptocurrencies by next Friday. I mean, I don't know, guys. Don't. Could that be true? Who knows? But I wouldn't. Somebody Google that. Maybe one of the mods. Tony, can you get on there and see if that? We're probably getting trolled if I had to guess. But try and check on that if you can. All right. So let's take a look here. All right. So we talked about where we can go. I do think we're going to find a little bit of support around 39, right? If we 40 even, right? 40,000 even, you'll probably see a little bit of a bounce. That's psychological support. But this spider line, maybe we come down to this spider line before we get a little bounce up. But you know, like I said, daily still, you know, money flow still coming up on the daily. Here's another, you know, guys, on the 12-hour here, right? Let me make this a little bigger. So on the 12-hour on Market Cipher B, right? Now, I know we talk about bullish and bearish divergences a lot, right? So in this case, now this doesn't technically qualify as a bearish divergence, right? Because typically you want to see momentum coming down, right? And then you want to see, you know, price coming up. And actually, is this? Let's see. Boom. What candle is this? This candle. I guess we did technically come up a little bit, but you see this little trigger wave right here, this little blue trigger wave like that. You have a big anchor wave and then a little trigger wave. Typically, that's you know, indication to move to the downside and vice versa. As you can see, we did have a tiny little trigger wave right here on the bottom of Market Cipher B. You know, right before this little run up here with these little green candles right there. So just a little sauce there. You know, that did not look good. This 12-hour did not look, or I'm sorry, 18-hour did not look very good. And this is starting to play out. It's starting to play out. I think we could, you know, we're not even below the 0 line yet. I don't think. Let's zoom in. Yeah, we're just barely peaked. Maybe? Yeah. Oh, no, I don't think we're below the 0 line yet. But, you know, we could come down, right? You know, down here and, you know, we could have some downside to come. But yeah, you know, 40, 39, 40K, I think we could get somewhat of a bounce. But yeah. All right, so let's move on. Yeah, I caught it, Eddie. You might have said it first, but yeah, no, I did realize. Hey guys and gals, what exchange do you use to trade on? Any standout favorites? Hope. I use Femex to trade with leverage. If you want to sign up, anybody, if you want to sign up for Femex, link is in the description below. Just click that link. You do get a deal, and it helps out the channel, right? It doesn't cost you anything. You actually save money. It helps the channel out just a little bit. You could sign up there and trade. You could buy on spot, and you could trade with leverage. Spot meaning, you know, just buy regular crypto with no leverage. And yeah, they have tons of good altcoins. They can trade with leverage. You can trade Bitcoin, ETH, Polkadot, Atom, Cardano. I'm just trying to think off the top of my head. Solana, Chainlink, tons of really good altcoins to trade with leverage. So yeah, definitely check that out if you guys want to start trading. Let's see. Can we see some VeChain analysis? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. We're going to go straight to it. Where's VeChain? Guys, this coffee is hitting me. Woo, baby. Oh, yeah. It's very hot in the studio today. I will say that. Let's see. Yes, VeChain. There it is. There she blows. Okay. All right. Let's take a look here. Okay, I guess we can stretch this out a little bit. Stretch her out. Okay. So let's come down to a lower time frame just to zoom in and see what we got going on. All right, let's see here. Let me move this up a little bit, scrunch it down. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a little bit of support right here. We're kind of we haven't fully broken the level, but yeah, let me get my, right, so like, boom. Just a rough line, guys, just a rough line. You know, I guess we can come down to here, right? So we did have support. We bounced off this area a couple times. Just, you know, a couple hours ago, we wicked right down to that level, came back up. Looks like we're probably going to come down and test it again. If we do break this level, you know, Yeah, I mean, what is this? This is 5 cents even, right? We're at, zero. We're at 5.6 cents. I don't know how you would say that. But yeah, I mean, we do have some support down here. But let's see if we can hold this level, possibly. You do have a green dot, but as I said, that's not always, that's an indication of the bottom. Maybe you got a couple green candles before busting through here. All right. Yo, Frankie, what's the biggest percentage gain you've got in a trade? I'm not really sure, to be 100% honest with you. Pretty high. I mean, hundreds of percent. I don't use super high leverage, right? Sometimes I see, a lot of people be like 1,500%, but they had like $5 in the trade with 100x leverage. Still very cool. Still very cool. Money is money. And maybe some people are trading with a lot of money like that. I just typically, I like to take a very strategic and paced approach to trading, right? Because a lot of people get really carried away for the big numbers, right? They're going for the jackpot. They just want that big gain. And I promise you, although you could win some big trades and you get excited and it's awesome and you make the money, but it's a dangerous way to trade, a very, very dangerous way to trade. Just because, you'll win big and then you get wrecked big. You're trading with too much money or too much leverage. But yeah, I mean, hundreds of percent. My Polkadot trade, I think was like 365 or 375%. That was just a couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago. But yeah, all over the place with the gains. But I've seen some pretty crazy numbers. But typically it's low money, high leverage, which is fine. But yeah, VeChain heading to 9 cents again soon, in my opinion. Hey, Joshua, I hope so. I hope so. I bought VeChain a long time ago. I bought VeChain, I think, at like 2 cents. Actually, let me take a look. Let's go to the weekly. Where did I buy? I think I bought, yeah, I think I got in like 2 or 3 cents on VeChain. I got a pretty big bag, so hey, if it goes to 9 cents or whatever you said, I hope so. I really hope so. I should have sold VeChain at 27 cents. Yeah, I know. I did sell some. I did sell some at 27, but I do still hold a lot. So I'm still in the same boat as you there, John. Who said that? Joshua. Let's see. Yeah, I did see that MC Crypto says Ukraine passed a vote on a bill to legalize Bitcoin. I did hear something about that. Very, very interesting. It's crazy. It's crazy. Got in years ago. Joshua, let's go. Yeah, exactly this. They want the cash. Yeah. True that. You're right. Carlo, absolutely. Guys, stay strong on VeChain. It will pay off, in my opinion. Hey, Rich, I think so too. I'm a holder. Daniel Joseph says, yo, Frankie, yo, we going to Guido's tonight? Yeah, I'll do my blowout. I'll blow out my hair, and we're going to Guido's. Let's go. I think you always win big for your first leverage trade because you have no memories. Yeah, hey, Chaz, maybe. Hey, Frankie, what's your thoughts on Atom now after the beautiful daily divergence we saw the other day? Spicy sauce #value. Let's take a look at Atom, right? Let's take a look. Atom was actually green earlier today, which is interesting because, Atom, guys, that's why I always get Atom's at the top. Atom, Polkadot, these are 2 coins that are always at the top of my list when I'm looking at stuff because even if we're dumping, sometimes Atom's pumping. Not that it really matters, so we make money either way, but Bitcoin could be dumping, and sometimes Atom goes, nah, I'm gonna go this way, and it just goes up. So very interesting. Let's come down to the 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, hey, look at that. Still at $28. Coming down right at the golden pocket right here. And we do have the 1 hour VWAP coming up, right? We do talk about the golden pocket a lot. We've been talking about the Fibonacci a lot on the streams. I've kind of been trying to show you guys, give you a little sneak peek. The video is coming out tonight on the Fibonacci, so you guys can learn how to use it, how to add the correct levels, how to pull them, and how to use them to trade, and more importantly, when not to use them to trade, because there is a specific time you do not want to use it to trade. But as you can see, you typically bounce off of the golden pocket, right? Even if it's not a very big move. This is the 1 hour, just reminding you guys. I like to make sure you guys know what time frame we're on, right? So let's see, right? We came up, we crashed through. Can you guys see this? I'm having trouble seeing this. Okay. So as you can see, we came up, right? We came down, bounced right off the golden pocket. came up, right? Boom, held this level, and then came down. Boom, little bounce off the golden pocket. Finally broke through. Resistance off the golden pocket. And then moving further forward, came up, kind of hung out basically in the golden pocket here, and then broke through. Now we're testing it here. Can we get a bounce up, or are we just going to crash through it? We'll have to see. We do have the VWAP, which has been down. I mean, look how long this VWAP has been down here. Tried to come up, got rejected for a full another ride down. Now we are crossing over the zero line, but we do have money flow crossing over into the red, so I'm not too bullish on, just because the VWAP is down and we're approaching this. So I would be very careful here because you do have money flow coming into the red, which is very, very strong. But let's check a longer time frame maybe. Let's see if we could spot anything on these other time frames. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, yeah. Oh, yes. Interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't 2 hour. Yeah, VWAP coming up. Money flow kind of hanging out. I'm being very careful, guys, right? We did I do want to wait to see what Bitcoin does. Can we come down, to this 40K level? We're just, we're almost there. Let me put a line there. 40,000. Yeah, so we wicked right down to it, right? And how much was that bounce? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we did touch it. Got a little bit of a bounce. Not a strong bounce, right? Only 1%. Not really that, yeah, not the kind of bounce we like to see. We do like to see strong bounces. Let me try to find an example. Because with the Heikinashi candles, guys, you want to see these in an uptrend. You want to see these big green bodies, right, to indicate a good move to the upside. You don't want to see these kind of like wish-washy candles like this. This is not a strong bounce, really. Not a fan of that. But yeah, we'll have to watch. We do have that yellow X. We'll have to see. But we did bounce off 40K. So about 40K. But yeah, all right. Let's check chat real quick. As an American, I only buy American coins like XRP and stay away. I don't want to offend anybody, but Daniel, I see you. Any thoughts on Illuvium? It's a game, I think. I think that's what Mark's talking about. I believe it is a play-to-earn game. I don't know too much about it. I do know that people who bought it wrote a really, really nice rip, made a lot of money. I don't know the ticker symbol for Illuvium, but I'd like to see that chart to see if it's in buy territory, because I am looking for gaming coins, guys. I am looking for gaming coins, as I said. Let's see. Wendell, I actually, real quick, want to let you know, Wendell. So this is something that I could talk about just because I think it'd help you guys learn. So Wendell messaged me, or she commented and said she entered a trade before she went to work, and when she went back to check the trade was gone. There was no profit or loss. It was like the trade never existed. Now, Wendell, I didn't have a chance to answer you a second time, but I do want to know, it is possible that you may have accidentally set a limit order, right? So you might have, set your leverage, set your percentage of your account that you wanted to use, got the contracts and hit buy, long or short. And there's a chance that your drop down that lets you do a limit order or a market order, it might have been set to limit. And in that case, you might have hit the button and then that order is sitting on the side waiting to get filled at a certain level. And you might have accidentally clicked that. And that's the only way that I can really, imagine that a trade just disappeared and doesn't show any profit or loss. So it's not like you got stopped out or you hit your take profit. So you might have set a limit order by accident. So definitely check on that. That might be what happened. Let's see. Lal, thank you so much for your feedback, Frankie. Wendell, anytime. I'm here to help you guys. Hey, Cobra Kai in the house. Let's go. Cobra Kai, let's go. Okay. Guys, how did Gala look? Let's take a really quick look here once again, right? At about, let's pull up these regular candles. Yeah, at about 30 cents, right? I did buy a little bit at 30 cents and then a little bit at like 26 or 27 cents. I don't really remember the exact number, but I'm keeping an eye on Gala. I'm looking to scoop up a little more, maybe at 30, and then maybe if it comes down a little lower, I might scoop up some extra. But being very careful right now, guys. We got the whole Russia thing. We're in weird times. So protect yourself. Be careful. Don't bet the farm. All right. Yeah, it's a play to earn game. After the recent crash, I was able to scoop up a couple. Wanted to see their chart. If you could find that ticker symbol for me, I'd be happy to look at it for you there, Mark. Let's see what a poker player would do if they played a cryptocurrency, played for cryptocurrency like Phil Hellmuth versus a cat. Okay, Joshua, I don't know exactly what that meant, but hey, poker with crypto, interesting. 205 likes already, guys. We're just shy of an hour long stream here. I said that weird. But 205 likes. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. 194 people in here. Welcome to the stream. Let's see. Thank you, Captain. Maybe I did something wrong, but don't really know. Let's see. Engine and sand. Yeah, we could take a look at those, Jesse. Let's see. What up, CandleMafia, Mr. Ale? I don't know, Alayo. I don't know if I'm saying your name right. I always butcher it, I feel like. But what's going on? Welcome back. Let's see. Oh, that's... Okay, that took me a minute, guys. Sorry. ILV. Gotcha. Let's take a look at Illuvium. Binance. Okay, switch back over to Heiken Nushies. Wow, okay. What is this? This is the 18-minute. Let's go to the 4-hour. Yeah. Ooh, baby. She got wrecked. Not, as everything did today. I'm not hating on Illuvium. 13%. Hey, 13% sale, guys. It's a 13% fail. 13% sale. Okay, let's pull a little Fibonacci. Boom, this low. Let's go to this high. If you guys notice, my Fibonacci looks a little different. I just took the shading down a little bit, because I feel like it got kind of confusing with all those colors bouncing around. So I just unshaded, nothing changed. Just cosmetic, you know what I'm saying? Just gave it a little facelift. All right. Okay. Guys, right here, I do just want to point this out real quick, right? This golden pocket, boom, right? Boom. And then, rejected a little bit before that move. But yeah, golden pocket, guys, golden pocket. Can we come down and touch the golden pocket again? What's this price? 600. Wow, Illuvium $612. Is that right? Or is this? Yeah, this is USDT. Interesting. Boom. Okay. So yeah, you're kind of at a fib level right here at about 615. You're at this fib level. So you might be able to stick this, but I'd wait to see if you come down to the golden pocket and see if you can get a bounce off the golden pocket. But like I said, very dependent on what Bitcoin does. Let's come down to the 1 hour. Let's come down to that 30-minute. Yeah, Bitcoin just kind of not knowing what to do, right here. But yeah, so, you're at that fib level. I would wait till you come down to the golden pocket before I made any moves. If you want to pick up a little bit right here in case we do bounce, I think that's fine. But like I said, we could dump. We have room to go. So maybe be very careful. Can you provide TA on Super? Okay. Yeah, we could try to take a look at that, Jason. Please look at KNC. All right, I'm going to try, guys, at the end of the stream, I'm going to take a look at all the altcoins. But we're going to look at the big ones for now. But yeah, put them in chat at the end. Later into the stream, we'll take a look at them. I promise to be good from now on. I don't know what you guys are talking about, MC and Captain Kirk. I don't know what you guys are saying, but I'm missing out here. Smash those likes. Love the content here. Tell a friend, y'all. I was actually going to say that. B-Man, I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, get your friends in, right? If your friends want to make money, get them in here and have, share the sauce with them. Let's see. Jimmy Void, Jimmy Two Shoes, #Bronx, Bitcoin Bulls, Dom Bricklayer. Let's go. Let's see. There's been a trailer for Illuvium, but yes, I agree. When it comes to the gaming, the games, guys, be really careful with these trailers, right? They're putting out these crazy cinematic trailers. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, there's nothing done on the game, or it's in like infantile stages. So be careful with these. I'm not saying Illuvium is this. I'm just saying in general. I don't know enough about Illuvium to say whether I believe in it or not. But be careful with a lot of these games, guys. They're putting out these crazy like 3D, like full rendered trailers, and there's no game, and they're just putting out these cinematic trailers, and people are buying into it, thinking that this is crazy game that looks like Halo, and it's just not what it is. So just be careful when looking at games like that. Is a short on XRP a good trade, right? We'll get back to XRP in a second. Let's take a look at Polkadot. Actually, wait, hang on. Let's come back. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we're coming down to the golden pocket on Atom. Yeah. I mean, hey, Atom's holding up. Atom's holding up. Gala not so much. XRP not so much. Everything else not so much. But guys, I mean, down 7%, 7%, 6%, 8%, 9%, right? Down 1%. Atom's down 1%. But yeah, Atom's looking good. Let's take a look at Polkadot. So here you go. Here's these yellow X's, right? We're on the 30-minute here, guys. So look at this. 1 yellow X, 2 yellow X. We'll just combine this as a big move, right? Third one, a little less. Last one, even tinier move. So you might, the bears might be getting worn out here a little bit on Polkadot. As you can see, we did get a little bit of a little pump. I wouldn't really call it a pump. Got a few green candles here. Currently testing this level at about 1820, 1821 as resistance. Could we come down further? Let's take this high. I'm sorry. Whoa, what's going on? Boom. Right here. Let's go from this low. Trying to draw these out fast for you guys. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, boom. I mean, yeah, you do have some support around, 1725. If we break this level, maybe we come down here. Yeah, maybe 17. Yeah. We'll have to see, guys. We'll have to see. But yeah, could be, I mean, what's this percentage right here? About 3%. Yeah. Let's see, market cipher B. This is the 30. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let me get rid of this fib. Yeah, I mean, 1 hour is fresh into the red, guys. Not looking the best. Yeah, I mean, I would watch this level down here. I might look for a scalp long, at 17, what is it, 1740-ish. So let's see if we could come on down and then maybe get a little bounce. We'll get a little bounce ski. But yeah, there's Polkadot. Let's see. I need to move to your time zone. Always working during the streams here in Cali. V-Slim, that's okay. Put me in your headphones. Put your phone in your pocket and just listen to the sauce. And you might even catch some coffee ASMR. Bullish divergence on the 30-minute and lower time frames. On Bitcoin or Polkadot? Is that what you're talking about? Let's see. That's the 45-minute. I think you're talking about Bitcoin probably. Let's see. 30-minute. Yeah, I mean... Yeah, I'm not sure. Are you talking about Bitcoin? Possibly. How does Crow look? We could take a look at Crow. I'm going to highlight you there, Mark. Have to join the family for dinner. Have a great night, y'all. Thanks, Frankie. I'll have to watch the rest later. MC Crypto, no problem. We'll see you next time, man. More like than watching. That's pretty good. 110%. Hey, 226 likes, 196 viewers. That's awesome. Thank you guys for that. But yeah, someone said, I forgot who it was, bullish divergence on the 30-minute. Let's see. Right from here, I guess to here, and here. Yeah, I mean, I'd be very careful. And lower. Yeah. You do have a curving up, money flow in the red, money flow kind of coming up there on the lower time frames, slightly. 1 minute just kind of popping all over the place. But yeah, I'd be careful. I'd maybe wait. I'd like to, if I was going to enter a trade, I'll tell you what, I would like to see this money flow kind of round up a little more. Let's say it rounds up and crosses here. I might enter like right there. So I'd like to see a little more curvature on that money flow, but hey, listen, If you're winning trades, win your trades. I'm not gonna judge you. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying I would wait a little bit. You know, I'm just trying to give you guys what I'm doing. Let's see. Bear run on the likes. Let's see. Frankie, like a bear pennant to me on the 30. I was looking at eat, but figured it would went across the board. It's not the bottom, but it's trying. Yeah, Brandon, I would agree with that. Let's take a look at Ethereum, guys. It does hurt me sometimes to see ETH go down so much because I do hold a lot of ETH. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's put the log on. All right, so boom, switching tools here, right? So ETH coming in at about, how did we get back to Bitcoin? That was weird. All right, regular candles. Let's see, ETH coming in at 28.79. Let's see. Yes. Why is there so many fibs on here? Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I got multi-fibs going on here. Multi-fibs. Let's clear them all. Let's start from scratch. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull a fresh fib. Let's pull a fresh fib, guys. Oh, this is the 3-day. That's why. Let's go 4 hour and let's see what's going on, right? Dipping into the red on the 4 hour. Not good. Got the little red X here. We talk about that in the Market Cipher A video. These red X's, you guys can learn what these mean and how to read them. But yeah, we're coming down into the red on the 4 hour. Let's see. 3 hour already in the red. 2 hour coming down into the red. VWAP coming up. Maybe you know, let's see. Maybe it's kind of curving up a little bit. Maybe you can see it come up, but we're bearish today, guys. We're bearish today. So you want to have I have a bearish bias today. So not getting too hopeful on things unless I'm looking for like a little bit of a scalp, a small move, right? I'm not, you know, betting the farm on anything right now as far as longs go. Just catching those little bounce scalps. All right, let's see. So where can we go? Right, we're coming up to support here. You know, 2800. You know, you got the psychological support at 2800. Let's go down. Let's go back up to the 4 hour. Yeah. So yeah, I mean about, you know, where's 2800? Right about here. Yeah. So you got the support for 2800. So you could. Let me just draw a line there so we can keep an eye. Come on, 28. I'm trying to get it. Come on, there it is. Boom. Of course it moved, guys. What the heck? Okay, there you go. All right, so you're coming down. Maybe you come down and touch 2800 again. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to see. Coming into the red on the 4 hour, not a great sign. In the red on the 3 hour, not a great sign. 1 hour, not a great sign. Money flow generally coming out, guys. I would recommend looking for shorts at this point. You know, but yeah. You know, what? Oh no, do we have a no bearish divergence? Okay, but yeah, you know, typically, like I said, guys, you have you know, when you have price making higher highs, typically just for the bearish divergences, right? If price were to come like this and make a higher high, right, and you have that line like this, and then you have a line coming down like that, and you have that alligator mouth, like I always talk about for the bearish divergences, that is a good time to short. Not quite playing out here. We didn't make a higher high, but you know, sometimes if you just see these waves, right? You know, they were talking about, I think Jason Casper calls them uneven butt cheeks. It's hilarious. But you know, he is talking about bearish divergences, legitimate ones. But even sometimes when they just play out on Market Cipher B, they can make for decent trades. But you know, I like to have an actual bearish divergence where you have price making a higher high and momentum making a lower low. Or a lower high, I'm sorry. But you do have money flow coming up on the daily still, right? We're not seeing money flow, you know, it's starting to curve back down. We could come deeper into the red, but generally we're flowing up with the money flow. So that is, that's a good sign, guys. That's if there's some hopium out there, the daily, you know, the daily doesn't look, you know, that money flow coming up on the daily is okay. But yeah, we're going to have to see what happens with Russia. I'm really curious to see what the markets look like when we wake up tomorrow. All right, check and chat. Hello, Francesco. Boom, boom, shaboom. Love it. Leno. Leno Villages. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Rich says buy more. Chris Weeks, welcome back, my man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's see. I was going to buy Bitcoin and ETH a day ago, listening to BitBoy, but thankfully I stuck to my gut and stayed out. Well, guys, that's the thing. I always preach this on my channel, right? If you guys are tuning into the stream, right, and you're listening to me, or any YouTuber for that matter, you got to go with your own research as well, right? You don't want to just listen to somebody. And I know, people are busy. You guys have jobs. Everyone's got to work. Not everyone has all the time in the world to look at the charts and read the news and stay up to date. I get it. But you definitely don't want to just meta money in the chat. Meta money. Frankie, what is your favorite length of candle? Meta money. The boys, Brian and Justin over at Meta Money, guys, go follow them. They teach how to make money playing video games. I teach how to make money trading crypto, whether it's going up or down. They teach how to make money playing video games. It doesn't get easier than that. But he says, what's your favorite length candle? And hey, Justin or Brian, don't know which one it is, or maybe it's both of you. Maybe they're double teaming over here. But I'll show you the length of candle that I prefer. I do prefer green candles. I don't really, I don't, what is the word I'm looking for? I don't judge, but I do typically like to see, something like this. I do prefer green, and I do prefer them to be, about, I would say, let's turn this off. I prefer green candles about this size of this one right here. Very, very, very long green candles. So yeah, there's the answer to that question. But yeah, anyway, when you guys are watching YouTubers, you gotta listen to what they say. Take it, right? Take it, and then just add it into your own research. You want to go maybe look at a bunch of YouTubers, right? See who agrees with who, see if a lot of people think the same thing, look at the charts yourself, read the news yourself, and come to your own conclusion. That's the important part. You don't want to just watch a YouTuber and buy off of what they say. I know it's easy to do and very convenient, but and the other thing is too, when some people they'll listen to their friend will be like, hey man, buy this coin, and then it goes down and their friend gets mad at them. And I never understood that mentality. I really never understood that mentality. If your friend tells you to buy something and you choose to buy it and you lose money, why would you get mad at them? You chose to buy it, especially if you know it's risky, right? I just never understood that mentality. You got to take responsibility for your wins and your losses. So when your friend says, hey, buy this coin, you might want to look it up to see if it's a scam first. But yeah, anyway, just a little side note, a little extra sauce. All right, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Hold till 60K. Yeah, I mean, hopefully we can get back up to 60K. I do think that, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, guys. On the daily, right, let's zoom out. Now, I do think, right, basically, let's just draw. I'm just going to remove my drawings real quick. Actually, let's go down to my spider lines. Okay, yeah. So I would like to see this this spider line right here. We're losing it. We're losing it. But this spider line down here at about 33. Let me come up to my other chart so it's clear. Now, just to give you guys an idea, let's boom. Okay, and then boom. Trend line, boom. Just roughing these lines out, guys. I know they're not perfect. But yeah, so realize, right, we've basically been trading in almost basically a channel, right? We made a little bit of a higher high here. Right, we came in, boom, boom, made a little bit of a higher high, and then, we made a higher low, right? So this is what's known as a running flat correction, right? Where you come in, reject, bounce, make a higher high, and then you come up and make a lower high here, and then come up from come up to new higher prices. That is what's known as a running flat. There's a couple different types of flat corrections. We can go over them one day, maybe soon. But there are other types of flat corrections, and so just it's important to know that you know, that could play out. That's kind of what we were hoping for. This could turn it around, this dump that we're seeing right now. Who knows? But we have not come down to test this level of support right here. Wow, that doesn't look good. Let me erase that. I didn't mean to draw that, guys. But yeah, this level down here, we have not come down to test this yet, right? So could we possibly see, oh, okay, boom, boom. Fumbling on the keyboard today, guys. Fumbling on the keyboard. So could we see Bitcoin come down to test this area one more time before blasting off? I think it's possible, but it would be a really sketchy situation to be in, right? Because you come down here, we're going to have to come all the way down, and then we're going to get to this area. Everyone's going to be really, really, really scared. We might get some panic selling. And then, you know, because we got to think, right? Are we in the bear market? If we're in the bear market and we break this line and we come down, we break 29K and we dump down, chances are we're going into a bear market, right? We might already be in one, who knows? But could we, we still could have this higher high, and then that running flat could play out where we come boom, boom, higher high, lower high, or lower low, higher low. I'm sorry, higher low, because this low is higher than this low. And then we come up for more upside. That could play out, but we have not come down to touch this, this accumulation zone down here. So we could see that come. This could be still in play, this level down here. So be careful. Be careful. I feel like that was really drawn out, so I'm sorry if that was redundant, but I get it. Big picture, it'll go up. When do you sell then? Fear, greed index, 60K, 100K. Yeah, I mean, big picture, right? If you're a long-term holder, the big picture will just show you right here. The big picture is Bitcoin goes up and to the right, guys. That is the big picture, right? Boom, up and to the right, 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 up and to the right. There's a trend, guys. This is TA. This is TA. That's a trend up and to the right. So, chances are in the future we're going to be up and to the right. So don't be scared. If you bought the top of this market, don't be freaking out too much. As long as you're trading with money or investing money that you're willing to hold, that you're willing to leave in the investment, or and hold it through a bear market, I wouldn't recommend selling in the red, right? The only way to lock in losses is to sell in the red. You can always just hold it and wait for it to go back up. You might have to sit on it for a couple years, but over time, it's been proven that anyone who's bought and held Bitcoin over time in the history of the entire asset has been in profit at some point, right? In the future, right? People who bought the top of 2017, I say this all the time. People who bought the top of 2017, boom, they were freaking out. We took this massive dump. They thought they lost all their money, but if they just held on, they'd be up here in profit. From the top, at the top of the market, they'd be doubled their money by buying the top, right? And that's worst case scenario if you bought the top. So, if you bought anywhere else, you'd be in massive profits. So just remember that. Up and to the right, guys. Up and to the right. Okay, guys, 181 people. Smash the likes if you want to spin this beautiful wheel of pain and pleasure. Pain for me, pleasure for you. But yeah, we're going to have some fun at the end of the stream, guys. So stick around for that and smash the likes, because if you get 300, we get 3 spins. If you get 400, we get 4 spins. So we're going to be having fun. We're going to be having fun. Okay, let's take a look at Crow. Do I have it on here? Oh, Crow, where are you at? There you are. Okay. Boom. All right. All right. Okay, we are on the daily right now. Let's pull up Market Cipher, right? Money flow generally coming up. VWAP deep below the 0 line. We do have a little bit of support coming up to this level of support right now. This line right here at about about 43 cents. So can we stick this and hold and bounce up? We'll have to see. It's all really dependent on Bitcoin. Obviously, I know I say this all the time. Everyone wants to see the alts, right? But Father Bitcoin is in control here, in control. But let's see. What is old Bitcoin doing? Let's switch to regular candles. All right. So $40,437. We're gonna have to see. Did anyone ever check on that guy who was saying that that I don't even know what he was saying. He was saying Bitcoin's banned or whatever. Frankie, giving us the sauce with a side of truth. Hope. I hope that helps you out. I hope that helps you out. Yeah, I like to be honest, guys. I'm not gonna say we're going we're gonna blast off into the bull market if I don't feel like that. Right now we are definitely in bearish, definitely a bearish day, as you can see. But yeah, so yeah. Oh no, all my drawings are off Bitcoin now. Let's bear with me while I undo everything. Okay, but I did just want to show you guys that channel. We can come back and test that that level. There they are. Okay. All right. So yeah, coming down to this. What is this? This is 40K, I think. Yeah, this is 40K. We're coming down to test this thing, guys. Coming down to test it. Maybe a scalp long off of 40K. I might be looking for a scalp long off 40K. It's a psychological level. But yeah, not. We'll see if we can get a bounce here. But yeah, deep in the red, man. Yeah, I mean the 4 hour just coming into the red. I'd be looking for shorts. We do have the VWAP coming up, but we can get rejected. We'll have to see. The money flow crossover on the 4 hour is not a good look. Not a good look. This channel and show is busting open. Rich, absolutely. We're busting it wide open. Bust it. Bust it. You guys watch TikTok? You know that song? That's like an old TikTok trend. I actually think Ben did a dance to that song on his TikTok. So yeah, very, very interesting. It was, I think it was. I saw them filming it. I don't know if it ever went live, but it was hilarious. But yeah, let's see. I'm in along from 40.6. That was still there from last impulse. Okay. Oh, a long. Okay. All right. So you're down a little bit, but I assume you mean 40K, 40,600. So you're down a little bit. No, as long as you have your stop loss, right? If you hit your stop loss and you're okay with the money that you were going to lose, as I always say, you guys know how much money you're going to lose when you set your stop loss, right? So just be okay with that number and let the trade ride out. If it hits your stop loss, you lose the trade, no big deal. I was in a scalp long earlier today, and I got stopped out for very, very small loss, right? I'm not crying over it. When I put the trade in, I was like, I'm risking this money. I might lose this. I'm okay with that. I entered the trade. I got stopped out. No big deal. You win some, you lose some, and some you miss. It's okay. All right, let's see here. Bear with me. Bull with you. Who said that? Who said that? Joe. Hey, Joey. Joey Two Shoes. What's going on? Oh, we got Jimmy Two Shoes. You're Joey Bag of Donuts. What's Joey? What's up, Joey Bag of Donuts? All right, let's see. James says, yeah, I always feel when DCAing, I will lose out on good trades. So I usually go 75% in. It takes discipline and practice. Yes, James, absolutely. Discipline, trading psychology. Guys, if you have not watched my trading psychology video, please go watch it. It's very important, very important. Our least watched video, which makes me nervous because it should be the most watched. Everyone should watch that video before you watch any other videos. People just like getting right into the market cipher stuff. I know, it's exciting. I put a short in last night on XRP. Excited in the morning, 168% gain. Carlo, let's go for Carlo. Let's go, Carlo. Carlo's making the money. Carlo's making the money. You get 168. 168. We'll give you like we'll give you $1,000 for that one. Let's go. Hopefully you pulled profit, Carlo. Did you pull profit? I hope so. I hope so. Doug says we love BitBoy. Let's go. Next support for Bitcoin. Thank you, Frank. Jimmy Two Shoes. Looking at 40K even for the next. Looking at 40K even for the next support level for Bitcoin. Hopefully we can stick that. I think if we stick 40K, it could be a healthy correction, and we could continue to see some more upside for Bitcoin if we come down to 40K and we can stick it and bounce off. I think that would be okay. If we break it, if we break it and we start coming down into the 30s. If we break this level here, 39-ish area, this support right here, might get bloody, let's see. I have a post it on my screen saying stop loss. I'll never make that mistake again. Hey, mark maker. That's a good idea, guys. Whatever it is, if you got to put the post it right on your screen to remind you, and just keep it coming, just keep it, get it in your head like that. I'm a post-it guy too. I got post-its all over the place. So yeah, whatever it is, a post-it, an alarm, whatever it is, you got to remember to set those stop losses. Let's see. Picked up more Gala at 30, hoping I didn't jump in too soon. Crypto Sasquatch, as long as you didn't put your, if you put a little bit of your money in, not the whole bag, if it dips lower, just scoop up some more. No big deal. That's why we say ladder in. Ladder in. Let's see. Yusuf is waiting for all-time highs and then selling the way to go. Yusuf, I don't recommend trying to catch the absolute top. I recommend buying low, right? And then riding the wave and taking profits, laddering profits out on the way up. That is how I recommend doing it. It's very hard to catch the top. A lot of people get wrecked trying to do it because you hit an all-time high and then it dips a little bit and you're like, oh, wait, it might go a little higher. And then you go lower and then you wind up selling, for less profit. I just ladder your profit out consistently. Let's see. It's nice because the bull run, I made a good amount in profits and was able to use the profits to buy Bitcoin at a discounted price. Eric, that's Eric Schmidt. I know an Eric Schmidt. Are you Eric Schmidt that I know? I don't know, but Eric Schmidt, yes, that's the way to do it, right? That's ideally what you want to do. You want to ride up, take some profits on the way up, right? And then wait for a dip, and then you can buy more on the dip. And then that's how you increase your coin bag. That's how so the best advice, right? It was some of the best advice I've ever gotten in crypto is to think of things in coin amount, not dollar amount, right? Because your goal is to grow your ETH bag, right? You want to get more Ethereum. You don't want to, don't worry about the money, right? Because Ethereum's the appreciating asset. It's going to go up. So you want to see your coins go up. If you have one Ethereum, whatever it is, or if you're working up to one Ethereum, you want 2 Ethereum, right? And then you want to try to flip that to 3 or 4 Ethereum, right? And then eventually when you're at all-time highs, you're going to have more Ethereum, and that's where the money is made, right? So you want to buy low, take your profits on the way up, and wait for a dip, and then scoop up some more cheap crypto. All right. Could you ask Michael Saylor to buy Canada and get... Oh, that's funny. Obsession, you're funny. You're funny. Feel like a broken record, but thanks again for all you do, Frankie. The psychology and Spiderline videos are great. Look forward to the Fibonacci video. Bubbas, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for that. I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to give you guys the sauce. I'm here to upload these videos so you guys can watch and get right on the chart as soon as the video ends. Sign up for Femex and jump into some trades. But I do recommend start slow, start small, right? Because you're inevitably probably going to make a few mistakes in the beginning, and that's okay. So just don't bet the whole farm on anything. I always recommend that. What percentage do you ladder out at? It's all dependent on you, Yusuf. Whatever you feel comfortable with, right? I recommend having price targets, right? Wherever you think the coin is going to go, set your price targets, right? So like if you bought ETH at $500, right? When it goes to $1,000, that's double your money. Take a little bit off the table. Start small. Take a little bit off the table, right? Then when it hits 2,000, take a little bit off. When it hits 3,000, take a little bit off. Whatever the number is, 2,500, whatever you're comfortable with, do the math, write it out, and then pick your prices and try to stick to them because it's hard, right? You could set those prices when ETH hits 2K. I'm gonna take 20% out. I'm gonna take 10% out, whatever it is. And then it gets there and you're like, oh my God, it's never gonna stop going up. It's ripping. And then you feel like you don't want to pull out because you don't want to miss out on any gains. So it's a little, it's kind of a hard game to play. So what I would recommend is maybe set limit orders, right? That way, it just sells it when it hits the target, right? And then you don't even have anything to do with it. Your computer does it for you. So yeah, that's what I recommend. John Connor says, #value, #Bing Bong. Thank you, Frankie Candles. Any time for you, John Connor. Thank you for being here again. Let's see. How do you know when to take profits? Crypto Sasquatch. So typically, depending on, right? So if we were in a short, right? Let's just pretend. Let's play make-believe here for a second. Right, so if you're in a short, right? Say you took, okay. So say, you go short here. Say you catch this whole move down, right? You might want to, what kind of percentage is this, right? So let's, for, just the scenario, so it's a 9% move. and say you're using 10x leverage, right? And you're shorting from this area right here. So I would say, you know, this is what I do, right? You don't always, I don't know if you're talking about longer term investment or a leverage trade. When I leverage trade, I just move my stop loss into profit, right? So when I get deep enough into profit, I'll just move my stop loss into profit, right? And then that way you don't miss any extra gains. If it goes down more, you can move your stop loss deeper into profit. And then, you know, eventually when you get stopped out, you know, if you get, you know, if you see that number going up and you want to close the whole trade for your profit, that's fine. And if it turns around, you get stopped out, you're making money anyway. So yeah, that's what I would recommend as far as leverage trading goes. When super chats, Crypto Jimbo, we're applying for monetization right now. So hopefully in the coming weeks, I wouldn't even say, coming days, I would think. I don't know how long it takes them to get back to you. Carlos says Sailor talks way too much. Hashtag Bing Bong Jonathan, let's go. I bought 0.3 ETH at 500, but I'm a diamond hand holder. Blanchard's bees. Me too. I'm holding my ETH. You're gonna have to peel it out of my cold fingers. Let's see. Tyler Durden said, I'd like to see Michael Saylor versus Richard Hart. That would be a savage debate. A savage debate. I'd like to see that too. Ain't that the truth? Follow the plan. Absolutely, Mitch. Absolutely. Let's see. Dude turns finance into philosophy, lol. Thank you. Appreciate the sound advice. Of course, Yusef. Of course, anytime. How busy am I to be when... Hey, Captain Kirk says, lol, do you know how busy Ahmad has to be when Hart is on ATB? I can imagine. I can imagine. It gets, we get some good debates in there. All right, let's see. Doug, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's see. That's what I've been doing, setting limit orders and scalping anything over my initial investment. The whole point is to get back my initial investment. Then it's house money for me. Eric, that's the way to do it, my man. That's my way to do it. Take your initial investment out, you know, and then you're playing with house money. You can't lose. You can't lose. It would be cool to see the super chat go to some live trades. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Interest Crypto Jimbo. That's a good idea. That's an interesting idea. Yeah, we're gonna get the super chats up and running very, very soon. Crispo Sasquatch, Crypto Sasquatch. No problem. No problem. I'm happy to help. Happy to help. All right. Let's see. Is that some super indicator on the bottom? Please enlighten us with the features and how to look at it. Or make a video on it. Mark Maker, yes. This indicator down here is called Market Cipher B. I have a Market Cipher B tutorial on my channel, so definitely go check that out. I go over what everything means and how to use it. And then I have a Market Cipher A tutorial, which are these icons that pop up on your candles. I have that tutorial coming out probably tomorrow, and a Fibonacci video coming out tonight. So stay tuned for that. We're getting these videos, guys. We're getting these videos out. We're starting to heat up here. We're getting them out for you. When do you see the market topping out? Before April 15th, when the USA taxes due. Yusuf, I wish I could call the top of the market. That's a very hard thing to do. We could have already possibly topped out at 69. That's not out of the cards. We could have topped out at 69. So yeah, very, very hard to say. Very hard to say. All right, guys, 156 viewers, 276 likes, guys, so close to 300 likes. Let's get those 3 wheel spins and let's go. Let's go. All right. I would love to see a live trade also, or more examples as to how to fill them. Maybe we'll build some confidence asking for a friend. Bubba's, how to fill them as in like how to actually how to actually get into the trade on Femex. Yeah, we can go into that. There is some technical stuff with YouTube. YouTube doesn't like when you enter trades live, but maybe we can just go on Femex and take a look at how to do it. I just won't enter a trade. I'll just kind of show you. But also on my Femex tutorial, I do go over a lot of that stuff, but maybe we can go over it live soon, and I could just walk you guys through it so you can get a better idea. 281 likes, guys. So close to 300. Let's go. All right. Shout out to the Debate Crypto channel. These guys, the guys there are also very good, and they are friends of the BitBoy team. Yes, absolutely. I know they just had a debate go on about proof of stake versus proof of work. BJ, our technical director here, actually was involved in it. I think he's a big proof of stake guy. So yeah, definitely go check that out. That was an interesting debate. How do we buy Market Cipher B? Jim, you could go to, if you go to the BitBoy Crypto Deals page, I think you can get a discount. There's a link there you could click to get a discount on that. I don't know what the discount is, but I think it's $1,500 for life, the regular price, and then I think it's like $600 for a year, or maybe I think it's $600 for a year. Let's see. Let's go. Brandon says May 30th BTC cycle top at 92K. We will see. We will see about that, Brandon. We'll have to wait and see. That would be epic if you're right. That would be epic. Loving the tutorial videos, Frankie. Wendell, anytime. I'll do it for you anytime. If you're just starting TA, would you say Market Cipher is something you need as a beginner? Floyd, it is not something you need, right? It's the most powerful indicator that I've ever used, to be honest. But you definitely don't need it. You can use traditional TA. We're gonna have a good mix of it on our channel. Market Cipher stuff and traditional TA stuff. So you could use either one. Market Cipher just helps. It definitely gives you an edge when trading, but it's not like it's not like you need it, right? I would actually recommend maybe learning the fundamentals of TA, like the basic stuff we put on the channel first, and then getting into Market Cipher B. But hey, you could start off with Market Cipher. That's no problem either. Whatever you like. Let's see. Are we dipping? Let's check. 15 minute. Going down these low time frames. Well, baby. Let's see. Okay. Boom. A little bit. We're probably gonna come down and test 40 again. We're gonna have to see if we break through 40, and then probably 38, 30. This area is in the cards. But yeah, I'm expecting maybe we come down and test 40 again. How's the 1 hour? How's the daily? Did we close that daily candle? We did. All right. Yeah. I mean, like I said, money flow is still coming generally up. We are curving down a little bit, but yeah, generally coming up with the money flow there. 600 a year, 1,500 for a lifetime for Market Cipher. Yes. Live trading channel on Twitch? ? Yes, I think we can live trade on Twitch. I do believe. So maybe we can do some live trading on Twitch. That would be fun. Crypto isn't monetized, so he can get away with it. So Brandon, so if you notice, I don't think CryptoPhase actually enters his trades live. I think that's specifically what YouTube doesn't like, is actually entering the trade live. So I think he enters it off screen and then pulls Femex back onto the stream. So I think we can do that. But yeah, I don't think you can enter the trade live. Still trying to get the technicalities worked out before we start doing it, because I want to be safe. I don't want to. We had all this growth, all this good stuff happening on the channel. I would hate to get taken down. So we're just trying to make sure we do our due diligence. Let's see. That's what I was thinking too. Thanks. No problem. Can you use Kucoin? Yes, you can use Kucoin. You may have to use a VPN depending on where you live, but you can use Kucoin. They have a lot of good altcoins there. And I think you can buy XRP. It's one of the few places you can get XRP. Let's see. Yeah, Crypto Anon saying he feels 38. Bring on the dip. Got them chips. Let's go. I like that. Blanchard Bees, I like that. Oh, true. That sounds right. I dip, you dip, we dip. Let's go. Okay, yeah. No, if we lose 40, guys, 38's probably in the cards. So yeah, definitely be ready for that. Where are these? Yeah, yeah. I think we're probably gonna come down, guys. If we're being honest, I think we do have room to come down. So just keep that in mind. Looking for a scalp long at 40K even possibly. Let's see. Come down to the let's come down to the degen. Yeah, that's what I just want to see this bounce. Probably not a very. I'm getting rid of this. I'm getting rid of it. Okay. So what is this? This is when we we bounced off of almost 40. It's like 40.96. Could have got a nice 17% gain with 10x leverage there. So I am going to look to be coming down to that level again for a bounce. Hopefully we can get closer to 40K. If we can come down to 40K, guys, I'm looking probably for a scalp long. And scalp, I mean, I'm in and out of the trade quickly. I'm not going to hold it for very long. So yeah, definitely looking for a scalp long there. I have seen him make trades live, but yeah, he usually is in a trade when Bybit had an issue with it, so he switched to Femex. Yeah, they typically don't enter live. They'll just yeah, you're right, Brandon. Let's see, James. I think it is important to learn raw TA and use Market Cipher to confirm as you learn, then use both for trades. Yeah, that's basically what I do, right? So I'll wait to come down to like a key level. And if we're about to hit a key level coming down, and then I see Market Cipher B looks like it's heating up and it's looking like it wants to go up, then I get those confirmations and then I enter the trade. And that's basically, I'll confirm Market Cipher B, or I'll use Market Cipher B to confirm my traditional TA. 158 people, guys, almost at 300 likes. Let's get 300 likes so we can spin this wheel 3 times and get things going here. What a great low cap on what's a great low cap on KuCoin, Frankie? Low cap, I don't know. I would say, I mean, hey, not a low cap, but you can get XRP on KuCoin. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. Rafi says you can buy XRP on Exodus. Yeah, Exodus you can. I think you could buy it on I forget the name of it. There's another exchange you can get it, but it is hard to find, but KuCoin does let you do it. KuCoin scammed me twice. I do not recommend. Really? What happened? Let's see. Yes, degen time frames. Let's go. How long do you hold for? My leverage trades, I'm typically not in for that long. If I'm swing trading, sometimes a few days. But if I'm scalp trading, sometimes I'm in a trade for, minutes, less than an hour. Hi, Frankie. I bought yesterday my first Pluto Alliance NFT. Let's go. I still can't see the NFT in my MetaMask. I see on Etherscan that I have block confirmations from. Do I need them all? Tom, I would reach out to DZ or Justin from NFT Update, and they could probably help you with that. I know they are very active, so you might be able to get in touch with them. But yeah, I can't really answer that question, to be honest with you. I'm confused on the not allowed part. Low cap in this volatility. Good luck. Yeah, well, that's the thing. Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend trading low caps right now. You could get wrecked. Not a good idea. Who said that? Who said that? Where did that go? I can't find it. Whoever said that, thank you. That was good. You should. That was nice. Oh, Uphold. That John Connor Uphold. That's the other place you get XRP. All right. KDA, great. Okay, Gate.io. Yeah, XRP is on Uphold. Okay, boom. All right. I've seen traders use Fib to time certain days or weeks that price should have a move. Would love to learn this in your Fib video if you could. Yes, we're gonna make a couple. We'll have more Fibonacci. I don't talk about it in the one that's coming out, but I will be talking about it in one coming up. How can I reach out to them? I would hit them up on Twitter. I would just hit all their socials up. Show up as many times as you can. They might see you, but they are responsive. They talk to their community a lot. Maybe Twitter. Twitter might be. Hit up DZ on Twitter. Let's see. Tom, I'll try to remember your name. Hit up DZ on Twitter, and I'll try to ask him to check his DMs so we can get you your Pluto Alliance. I picked a Mars V1 Pluto Alliance up today. Nice. Any luck with trade bots on KuCoin? John, I've never used trading bots on KuCoin. However, I have had JChains, or Justin from MetaMoney, has said he's had pretty good success with the KuCoin trading bots in the past. I personally can't attest to it, but I trust Justin, and he said he's had pretty good luck. So I was honestly kind of surprised by that, but yeah. All right, guys, 295 likes. Let's go. Almost there at 300, 145 viewers, 146 viewers. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you guys. All right, guys, let's take a look at some alts. Put your alts in the chat. We'll try to take a look at them. I'm going to tell you the same thing almost for everyone. We could take a look at them. I'll try to let you know what I think, but we are very dependent on Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin continues to go down, we're going to see some downside for everything. And the alts are going to get crushed more, obviously. What about support levels in Fib areas? Are they significant? Ivan, yes. Go check out my Fibonacci video. Actually, go to my, the Fibonacci video that's going to be coming out. today, right after the stream. I'm going to upload it right away, and check that out. I talk about where the levels of support and resistance that the Fibonacci provides, and there's some levels that are stronger than others, so you definitely want to watch it to know which ones are the strongest, what the golden pocket is, how to get it on your chart, and how to use it to trade. So I go over all that in my Fibonacci video, so definitely check that out. All right, let's see. All right, we're gonna go power hour here. SHIB. Boom. All right, SHIB. All right, I'll be honest with you. Oh, this is the 1 minute, that's why. Okay. All right, so there you go. Oh boy. All right, so you're coming to some support on SHIB. I don't know how many zeros this is. I'm not even going to use prices for shit. It's like 0.00002. But yeah, you're coming up to support at this level right here. If it does break, maybe you're coming down. If you break this, maybe you, maybe you find. Let's see. Boom. Yeah, maybe you'll find some support at this next level. If you break this level, what's this move? About 5%. Maybe you come down another 5% if you break that level. Let's see. FTM. Let's see. Let's go with the. That's a long tether. Let's go Bitfinex. FTM. Okay. So let's look at the daily first. When I do analysis, I start on the longer time frames and move all the way down to the lower time frames. So let's see. Boom. Yeah. So on the daily, you are actually in the green. On the daily. Interesting. So that doesn't look too bad. 4 hour deep in the red. Let's see these. 6 hour. I mean, you're definitely hitting support here. You actually, yeah. I mean, what is this? This is the 6 hour money flow coming up on the 6 hour. About to VWAP coming. Starting to curve up. I will say it's actually kind of, yeah. 1 hour coming down into the red. I mean, guys, these money flow crossovers into the red are typically not good. So just keep that in mind. I wouldn't. I mean, everything's dipping, right? Everything is on sale, but you don't want to. You don't want to be betting the farm, right? Because if Bitcoin continues to dump, we're gonna get crushed. Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. Boom. All right, there we go. So here you go. You could see that we came down, right? Well, we came down. Boom, boom, boom. Bing bong. Came down right to the golden pocket, had a big bounce off of that. Now we're coming down to basically the same level that we bounced off of before. So let's see if we can hold that. But yeah, if you do lose this level, right, you're printing a green dot, or not printing a green dot, but you printed a green dot on the hourly 1 hour ago. So could be signifying that we are finding a bottom, right? You got two green dots here, right? You got the green dot right here, came up a little bit, and then you came back down, printed the second green dot, and then you came up. So yeah, maybe you kind of just bing bong around here just a little bit before moving up more. All right, let's see. Dot, we already took a look at dot, but let's take a look again. Yeah, so about 1740 area is where I'm looking at if we break current support right now. Right now, we are currently testing this level right here as resistance. Bounce down, might come up and test it again. We did get a green dot here. This is the 24-minute. We did print a green dot here, so maybe we're going to come up and test it again before bouncing back down. But I would be having my eyes on about 1740 for possible support after this level. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. 300 likes. Let's go. 307, baby. We got it. Guys, our stream was popping last night. We got 400 likes. I don't know if like somebody told the news that, I don't know if it was on the news that we hit 5K subscribers. I think it was on all the local channels that we hit 5K subscribers. So maybe that got us extra viewers yesterday, but we had 400 likes yesterday. So thank you for everyone who liked the chat, liked the stream yesterday. Let's see. Hello, Irish brother from a windy, wet Cork. I don't even know what that means, Dan. I don't even know what that means. Off topic of the altcoins, but what records should I be keeping for taxes when I make scalp trades? Do the exchanges have records for history, or is it up to us? I would do it yourself just to cover your back, but I would say, yeah, definitely, keep your own records. However, I've never used it, but I've heard that TaxBit is pretty good. Basically, you put all your information in all the exchanges, and it just gathers all the information that you need from all the exchanges, and basically like spits out all the information for you. I've heard good things about it. Like I said, I haven't used it, but I've heard good things. So maybe check them out. And I've heard some people in chat use TaxBit before too. They had a pretty good experience. How do you feel chart analysis works on newer coins? It's hard, right? If there's not a lot of history on the coin, there's not a lot of data. It's kind of, you want to have some kind of history, so you can, the more history, the better, I would say. Let's see, bullish divergence on the 12-hour for DOT. Let's check it out. 12-hour. Right, and I don't know what exchange, I don't know what chart you're looking at. You might be looking at a chart from a different exchange, so you might be seeing different things. Yeah, so hang on, where'd that go? So there's a bullish divergence forming on the 12-hour for DOT, yes, right? So from here, right? So here to here, right, would be a bullish divergence. Only if you confirm it. It's not confirmed yet, but it may confirm. You do still have my timer. Why is my timer not? Oh yeah, you do still have 11 hours for that to confirm. So there's plenty of room to come down. So you wouldn't want to take that trade just yet. You want to confirm it with another green dot on this momentum wave. If there was a green dot on this momentum wave here, and that wave was that size, and then from here to here, you are coming down, that would be a bullish divergence, but it hasn't printed yet. So you do have 11 hours for that wave, to come deeper down, and then that would invalidate the bullish divergence. Hey, if you learned something right there, hashtag value, hashtag bing bong, or hashtag bing bong value sauce, whatever you want. All right, guys, we hit it. We got our 315 likes. Let's go. We're spinning the wheel. I'm kind of hoping I hit night off just because I have three. We got shout outs. We got the funny outfit. I already got a bunch that I have to catch up on. But hey, I do it for the people. And hey, I'm not going to spin the wheel for the ASMR. I'm giving you guys free ASMR here. All right, let's give the wheel a little bit of a spin. Hashtag value, hashtag value. Let's go. Hashtag bing bong ding dong. Okay, hashtag bing bong ding dong. Let's go, guys. Thank you for that. All right, let's give her a little spin-a-rooney here. Wobble, wobble. Here we go. All right, guys, we're talking in a Long Island accent for 5 minutes. We're going to keep it going here for 5 minutes. I'm going to rough out the 5 minutes. It might be 1 minute and 30 seconds, but you know what? We're rolling with it, guys. We're rolling with it. Spin number two. Bada bing. Bada bing. Here we go. Oh, giveaway. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. So how about this, guys? Actually, I just picked up another Ledger Nano S. Long Island accent. I just picked up another Ledger Nano S, right? I was going to give another one of these away, but we're going to give one of these away, we're going to give this away on Monday, right? We're going to give this away next week. We're going to do the giveaway next week. So we're going to hold this. We're going to hold this one, all right? But maybe we'll give away a Cardano NFT. If you guys want a Cardano NFT, hey, we got Pearls in the house. What's up, Pearls? I'm from Long Island. What do you want? What do you want? I think he's from Long Island too, actually. But all right, we're cutting the accent, guys. It's really hard. I get really now. I'm gonna you're gonna hear some Long Island words come out. It confuses me. But we're gonna do a giveaway. Cardano NFT. If you want a Cardano NFT, if you guys want to do a Cardano NFT giveaway, hashtag NFT in chat, so I know you guys want it. And then what we'll do is tomorrow I will get the NFT, and then I will figure out how to do the random name generator or random name picker, and I'll figure out how to do that, and then we'll pick the winner tomorrow. It's Friday. We're giving away, it's called Non-Fungible Friday for a reason, guys. Non-Fungible Friday, we're giving away an NFT. So yeah, I got to write all this stuff down because I got a bazillion things going on, guys. So definitely got to keep this written down. All right, NFT giveaway. All right, boom. Spin numero tres. Here we go. Bada bing. Okay, oh no, guys, can I respin that? I don't want to talk in the Long Island accent anymore. I left Long Island. I don't want to talk like a Long Islander. I'm trying to get my Southern accent on. All right, you know what? How about this? I'm just gonna spin it again. Here we go. Right, doesn't hurt. Random fridge object, guys. I'm taking that one off. I don't really even know what that means, to be honest. We're spinning it again. I'm taking this one off. I'll take it off after we're off. I don't know what random fridge object really means. We talked about it, but I didn't really get it. Boom. Prank call hit network. That one's hard to do too because I have to do it. We can't do it on stream because everyone's gonna know. Yep, spin again. Okay, we're getting rid of the bad ones. Prank calling hit network is gonna be very hard to do without them. Like, I'm gonna be like, hello, I'm gonna prank them, and they're gonna be like, dude, I'm watching your stream. So it's gonna be hard to do. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. Prank call hit network. Nope. Okay, we're gonna do another spin, guys. We spin it at 5 times today. Let's go. All right. Oh boy, BitBoy Crypto shout out. All right. All right, this is hard. I'm going to do this because I already have a bunch of people I have to shout out on Monday. So I'm just going to randomly scroll. Right, I'm not looking. I'm randomly scrolling all the way up. I'm randomly scrolling all the way down. I'm randomly scrolling up. I'm randomly scrolling down. I'm putting my finger on the screen and I'm running it down the list. Hopefully I'm on chat. I don't even know what I'm pointing at. You guys hear that squeak? That's creepy. Okay, I'm going up. All right, I'm on a name. I'm looking. It is Chris Weeks. Chris Weeks is the shout out. So now we have 4 people to shout out on the BitBoy Crypto live stream. So I might split it between Monday and Wednesday so it doesn't take me 10 minutes to shout everybody out because I do have very limited time on that stream. So I'm going to sneak them in here or there. Maybe I'll be like, hey guys, bullish divergence on the 4-hour. Chris Weeks, shout out. And then we're going to look, okay, money flow's coming into the, Blanchard's Bees, what's up? So, all right, so Monday and Wednesday, Chris Weeks, congratulations. You're getting a BitBoy Crypto shout out. I'm putting it in my notes. Chris Weeks, shout out BBC. Okay, boom. And you're getting a giveaway. We're doing the NFT giveaway tomorrow. Let's go. You guys wanted the NFTs. You guys are getting it. I'm just going to find one that I think is cool, and it's going to be random. And I'm going to get the random name generator, so we're not picking like this. This is all sketchy. Who knows? Like, I don't like that. So we're going to do the random name generator, and you're going to get the NFT. And it's going to be cool. You can make it your profile picture, whatever you want to do. Maybe it goes up, and if it goes down, who cares? You got it for free. So yeah, and we're going to talk, I'm going to be talking to the NFT guys to see if maybe we can give away a Pluto Alliance. I don't know if we'll be able to make it happen, but I will definitely, I definitely will try to get that. Someone said, Chris, weeks, months, years, you'll be in profit one day. V Slim, you're funny. You're funny. You're funny. All right, guys. I think that's all we got for today's stream. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you had a good time. We got 325 likes, closer to 400 than I thought we would get, to be honest. But But yeah, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate all you. I'm going to remember all the shout outs, all the challenges. We got a funny outfit coming on. We might have to put the wheel on halt for a couple days, or maybe limit it to one spin a stream, because I have so much going on. It's going to take me 2 weeks to get all these challenges done. So we might have to rework that, but we'll figure it out. We're figuring it out as we go, guys. Keep an eye on Bitcoin. Pray to the crypto gods. Hopefully we could see some bounces here. If you're entering trades, set your stop losses. Thank you for coming. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you for being here. I love you. Hasta mañana.